Tulips are a genus of spring-blooming perennial herbaceous bulbiferous geophytes. The flowers are usually large, showy and brightly colored, generally red, pink, yellow or white. The humble daffodil is well known and much loved by just about everyone. Their bright color and cheerful, distinctive form make them irresistible both as a cut flower and in the garden. Daffodils are also known as narcissus. And belong to the amaryllis family. Daisies make up almost 10% of all flowering plants on the planet. Soft white petals are the most iconic daisy look, but they come in lots of other colors. As though as they are beautiful, daisies are in bloom most of the year and can adapt to almost any environment. They can even live high in the mountains. The seeds of datura are analgesic, anthelmintic and anti-inflammatory, and as such, they are used in the treatment of stomach and intestinal pain that results from worm infestation, toothache, and fever from inflammation. The juice of its fruit is applied to the scalp to treat dandruff and falling hair. Chrysanthemums are believed to represent happiness, love, longevity, and joy. Considering that Mongolia is believed to have existed from the beginning of time, it symbolizes longevity and perseverance. Mongolias can also represent nobility, love for nature, feminine, sweet. Dahlias were a symbol of commitment and an everlasting union. They are said to taste like a mix of potatoes and radishes. Hibiscus plants are known for their large colorful flowers. These blossoms can make a decorative addition to a home or garden, but they also have medicinal uses. The flowers and leaves can be made into teas and liquid extracts that can help to treat a variety. These flowers are unique in that they have the ability to provide energy in the form of nourishment and vibrancy, attributes which mirror the sun and the energy provided by its heat and light. Sunflowers are known for being happy flowers, making them the perfect gift to bring joy to someone's day. The jasmine is a very popular flower around the world, especially in the tropics because of its unique fragrance. The jasmine is native to tropical and warm or temperate regions of the Old World. The jasmine flowers are white in most species, with some species being yellow. Jasmines are often strong and sweet-scented. Marigolds attract ladybugs, parasitic wasps, hoverflies, and other beneficial insects that protect your plants from aphids and other harmful pests. The blooms, particularly single-bloom cultivars, also draw bees and other important pollinators. The lotus flower is regarded in many different cultures, especially in Eastern religions, as a symbol of purity, enlightenment, self-regeneration and rebirth. Its characteristics are a perfect analogy for the human condition. Even when its roots are in the dirtiest waters, the lotus produces the most beautiful flower. Their petals are edible, and rose water, made from soaking the petals in water, is often added to jellies or jams, or is used as flavoring in Indian and Chinese dishes. Roses also grow a berry-shaped fruit called rose hips. The fruit can be orange, red, dark purple, or even black. They attract bees, butterflies and other beneficial insects. Their open flowers provide easy access to nectar and pollen. You can never have enough pollinators and predator insects in your garden, helping pollinate and pest manage for you. Water lilies live in water because they evolved adaptations, special characteristics or traits, to allow them to survive in that environment, such as weak stems, flat, broad leaves with stomata on their upper surface and bowl-shaped flowers. Orchids steal, lie, cheat, and look impudently good while doing so. Most flowering plants offer nectar to attract pollinators and reward them for their visit. Orchids, on the other hand, usually trick their pollinators into pollinating them and stick the pollinarium onto the animal without rewarding it for the visit. Long back, rural herbal practitioners used the pansy tea as a medication to reduce fever. Pansy has diuretic, laxative, sedative, and expectorant properties, and can be used as gargle and blood purifier to get rid of the noxious substances from the body.